Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix camera button not working on iPhone 16. So let's get started. If the single click camera button isn't working on your iPhone 16, follow these steps to fix it. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then you have to search for camera, go to camera or search for system settings or just search for camera directly and tap on this option privacy and security and make sure that it's set to single click. If it's on double click, change it back to single click. Ensure camera is selected as the default function. Now try clicking the button. If it works, you're done. If not, continue to the next step, which is force restart your iPhone. To do it, you have to press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button and hold the side button until the screen gets completely black. Then restart your iPhone and this might solve your problem. Now press the camera button again. If you can see that my camera is already working, and if you are still facing the problem, reset all settings. From settings icon on your iPhone, go to settings, then tap on the general, then scroll down and tap on to transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset or erase all content and settings. First make sure that you reset it all in settings, and if this method doesn't work, then try erasing all content and settings. It will erase all of your data from your iPhone, and this one will not erase any data from your iPhone. That's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.